Hey friends, it's Julie. Welcome back to Row & Co Farms. Today we're going to be showing you how we installed our new irrigation system into the flower farm. It's exciting stuff and things are really coming along out here, so let's check it out. All right guys, so I've got these two boxes here. This is supposed to contain my irrigation system. So I ordered this system through a company called DripWorks. I'm not affiliated with them, but they were recommended to me, so I checked them out. In here is a pump. I believe the pump is in here. So this is what's going to help keep pressure on the irrigation system. And then in here are all the components and hopefully the hoses and all the pieces and parts to hook it all together. So I'm going to unpack it. I'm going to try to start laying that out in the flower farm today to see what we need to do and how we need to proceed further. So I've never done anything like this before. I have no idea how easy it's going to be. I hope it's easy. It's supposed to be pretty simple to set up, but we're going to find out. Because yeah, we're coming to the time where this has got to be put in because I've got to start planting into our rows. And currently I don't have any mulch down, I don't have any irrigation down, and all that stuff has to get done right away. So I'm gonna start today. Y'all come with me. So the system has like these main header lines that are this hard piping, and then there is the drip tape that attaches to that, and that's what's going to supply all of our beds. So we're just kind of getting measurements for everything and cutting it and laying all of it out. It doesn't require any major tools, and any tools that it does require, they send with the system. If you guys have not been following along and you're not familiar, we are installing a flower farm here at our homestead, and there are lots of other videos that go along with this, but this is just one part of the journey of installing the flower farm. If you want to see the other parts, I'll link the playlist down below. Our irrigation system is designed to be used in in-ground beds. It is not designed for use in our raised beds. So we will still be doing our raised bed irrigation by hand. You're just trying to make sure that that piece of drip tape goes all the way down behind there, and then you just tighten this coupling down. And then along the top here, there's some little lines, and all the lines are supposed to be facing upward, and the holes are up here on the top, about every 10 inches or so. Here we're just assembling all of the housings, the pressure regulators, the timers, all of the things that will control the flow of water throughout the system. It was a little complicated at first, but once we got it together, we understood it and it was not that bad. Now that everything's laid out, we're just putting stakes down to make sure all of the drip tape stays exactly where we want it to be. And then we're going to go ahead and attach the drip tape to the main supply line. So now we're adding the drip tape to the supply line. It's really simple. They send you a little hole punch, or not a hole punch, but a hose punch, and you just poke a little hole and then you attach the drip tape, and it allows for a seamless connection without any other tools.
You gotta figure out the programming and all that. I ain't doing that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, ain't cut out.
All right, test run. Okay, I'm gonna go out here and see how long it takes. Okay, so tightened up a leak right there. I'm gonna go out here and see. So this basically has connected to all of the irrigation out there. So let me go see if it works. Okay, I'm starting to see water coming out. I'm sure it'll take a little while to make its way through, but you can see already. Yeah, I can feel the water in there. So if you can kind of see the sparkling across the whole yard there, you can see all the water sprinkles coming up. So that's a good sign, it's working. Now I do have a lot of these fittings are leaking a good bit, so we're probably gonna have to go back through and make some adjustments to all the fittings all the way down. But otherwise, I can see, oh my gosh, I can literally see the sparkles of water all the way across. It's beautiful. Let's go see if we can find some more water dripping. Can you see some more? Show me. Oh look, Harper, down here. Do you see some more? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video about installing our irrigation system. Stay tuned for the next step, which will be making this beautiful market garden look even better by adding wood chips all throughout to finish out our walkways. I can't wait to see you guys next time here at Row & Co Farms.